We have invited today our very valued customers for celebrating relationships beyond banking with us today. We hope to make this day memorable for them in their future journey with Bank of India.
Invite all of you in this meeting. Our bank's endeavor has been to give up satisfactory customer services to our valued customer onboarding. Bank has always been endeavoring to give a satisfactory service. This is in respect of that, in that direction only that we have conducted this meeting. The concept has been conceived by our Chief Minister Peter Saab. He will tell about the significance and importance of this meeting. But before that, I would welcome each one of you, because as a bank, bank has been growing only because of your association with Bank of India, and you are pillar of the growth. Whatever bank has got in market as a brand Bank of India, it is because of your association with Bank of India. So it is our endeavor to give satisfactory services. There may be some lacking on all that, but still we sincerely believe to give a satisfactory service to our valued customers, particularly customers who have been associated with Bank of India since long and who are diamond customers and who are senior citizens. We respect each one of you. There may be some lacking on all. Would like to greet our customer order. So this festival occasion is there, and this occasion has been conceived by him only. So I request Peter Saab to share your.
My dear customers and friends of Bank of India, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to this function. This is specifically defined for you people only. You are the pillars of this bank and this branch too. So I felt this is a fitting tribute to the wonderful job that you are doing for Bank of India, being with it, growing with it, making it flourishing, and making it with a worldwide organization. I do not want to glorify Bank of India because you are the glories of Bank of India. Now I take this opportunity to invite Mr. Pratap Sheth, who has been from the very beginning with this bank. He has seen the growth and the future in this bank. I also invite Pushpa Tai to also join with me in inaugurating this specifically designed program for valued diamond customers as well as for the senior citizens. Now I'm going to take a dose of a token which is specifically designed for you people, and I would like both the captains to please stand up. There are normally for a toss there are two captains, and both of you can call. I give the option to you first. Or you give the lady first. Head or tail, madam? Please hold it. Say it. In cricket, one of the captains win, but in this case, both the captains are be winners. This was what I showed you, and the other side there is again the winning position is there of senior citizen. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
From Pancham Jadi.
Yes. Ask your other VIP customers to experience how this has been going to be implemented by Bank of India. My relationship manager is sitting at the side. I would like our staff members to escort one by one our VIP customers and get the token and let them experience how the cash can be or any other service can be availed. I'm with Bank of India since last 3 years. I'm getting very good experience.
So we have introduced a new scheme of jumping the school queue because of the facility given for diamond customers and senior citizens. Mr. Rajgopal is our senior diamond customer, so he is jumping the queue and getting the payment across the counter. I wish every one of you avail this facility and get the maximum benefit out of our Bank of India. Getting the payment, and this is how we have started the new scheme. Please do join it. All the customers.
Bank of India. I've had absolutely no problem regarding the services. Though this has been introduced, I have been already jumping the queue. I am meeting for all my cash withdrawals. I have been meeting areas directly and drawing my cash. Anyway, this is a good system which has been introduced.
ऐसी व्यक्ति तो सबको मिलनी, जितनी हम पे इधर सेवा करते हैं ना सब बच्चे लोग, उसको हम थैंक यू बोलते हैं। जब भी आते हैं सबको बोलते हैं हमारी थैंक यू सब बच्चे।
बहुत अच्छा है, इसके लिए हमारा जो भी खाते हैं सब इधर ही है। कम से कम नहीं होएगा तो 20-25 होएगा हमारे
कदम जो है हमें ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचाने के लिए सीढ़ी का काम करता है, और उसके साथ साथ जैसे इंसान हाथ को हाथ होता है, इज्जत से इज्जत मिलती है, इसी तरह चौधरी साहब ने, पीटर साहब ने, सब लोगों ने हमें टोटल रिस्पेक्ट दिया, उसके लिए हम आभारी हैं। मैं सबकी तरफ से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। और उसके साथ साथ एक शब्द और बोलूँगा, सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है स्पिरिट। तो जो स्पिरिट आप दिखा रहे हैं बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से उसको ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाने के लिए, दैट स्पिरिट इज अप्रिशिएबल एंड दैट विल ब्रिंग द सम गुड रिजल्ट्स।
My name is Pratap Sheth. I am having my account from the very first day of the branch, and I like to thank Chief Manager Mr. Peter, officers and the staff members for honoring and appreciating the diamond and senior citizen customers. And I want to say that as far as the services part is concerned, I would say that rather than appreciating the services, I would put a one word that we don't have any complaints about the Gandhi Market branch. And I would like to request Mr. Chaudhary and their staff members that this type of the services should be continued. They should try their maximum best to give all these services to all the other customers also. Some of the diamond customers may not be a senior citizen, and some of the senior citizens may not be a diamond customers. But treat them at least somewhat in the equal treatment, so that bank name will go to the high levels and they will appreciate these things. I like to say thanks to the staff of the Bank of India Gandhi Market branch for honoring and appreciating all the diamond customers and senior citizens over here. Sir, thank you very much.
Thank you. Token is available to all the senior citizens of the branch, irrespective of they are diamond customers or not. Other than that, diamond customers only, those who have valuable customers also will take care of that. So we are very much aware of what you are. Thank you sir for your suggestion.
बहुत अच्छा किया है। ये सीनियर सिटीजन के लिए जो भीड़ होती है वो हिसाब से जो किया है वो वेरी गुड।
And I feel good to see all these new initiatives and the services being launched for everybody. I think it is on par of many multinational banks that we see, and I think it should keep up with the growth.
मैं बैंक ऑफ इंडिया गांधी मार्केट परिवार की तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का सितारा सदैव आपके साथ में है। उस सितारे को बुलंदी के ले जाने के लिए आप लोगों ने जो साथ दिया है वो अनंत रूप में आप साथ उसे अवश्य देंगे। हमारी सेवाएं और प्रगाढ़ होंगी, ग्राहक और बैंक का जो रिश्ता है वो मधुर होगा। आप हमारे बैंक के आधार स्तंभ है। आपने जो आज समय देकर के इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाया उसके लिए मैं समस्त परिवार बैंक ऑफ इंडिया गांधी मार्केट परिवार पूरे समस्त बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से पूरी धन्यवाद देकर के आज का कार्यक्रम समाप्त करता हूँ। कृपया जलपान लेकर के जाने का कष्ट करें, पुनः हमें सेवा देने का